Okay, that's enough now. Okay, pass the papers to the center lines. Center lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Make papers so that we accept it. Okay, center lines, so please center lines. Just hold the paper. Check this. I saw simple exercise. Okay, pass the paper, get one. We'll check on the first part. All right, number 1, self-reflection. Anong reflection?
Ma'am, reflection lang.
It helps understand the motivation, successes, and mistakes. Okay. Begin. Become the reflection. Then number 2, check on reflection or self-reflection. Number 2, it is a continuous learnings that keep an individual competitive and confident. New skills. Parang hindi ko lang ikuha sa essay na siya. Sa explain ko lang. Okay. It is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling how you spend your time.
Time management.
Time management. Time management, number 3. Number 4. It is an evaluation and corrective information about an action. Ano? It is an evaluation or corrective information about an action. Feedback. Feedback. Number 5.